Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking on how to order check from PNC Bank. Here is how to order checks from PNC Bank. On the PNC Bank website, sign into PNC Online Banking. Select the Customer Service tab. Under the Manage Accounts section, click on Order Checks and Supplies. Find the account for which you want to order checks and select Checks/Supplies. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your order. Through the PNC mobile app. Sign into the PNC mobile app. Select your account, then select account and routing numbers. You may need to verify your identity with a one-time passcode. Look for an option to order checks within the account details or a similar menu. Follow the steps to select your check style and complete the purchase. If you need further assistance, you can also contact PNC customer service or visit a local branch to place an order. With that said, thanks for watching.